Warning: this YTP/YTP Tennis may contain swearing, loud noises, and flashing lights. Don't watch this video if you're having an epilepsy/seizure or under 13.
Nobody gives a fuck about your stupid cookie cutter intro. Now fuck off.
Gosh!
Steven here. Jack Paul is such a freak.
You said my game sucks, so let's end game.
I said you were a freak, not that your game sucked, but now I might agree with both of those statements.
Oh, hello player. I have been fired to become a doctor. So can you please help me to cure the Luigi patient?
Don't kill me, or else surgery.
Wow, I am such a good doctor now.
So we're just gonna ignore the fact that you committed a freaky murder.
You said I commit murder, so let's end game for you.
Are you that big of an idiot? I didn't say you committed robbery, I said you committed murder. That was the same first aid kit. How did it not include the same thing?
What kind of game over screen was that? And why did the game cut to an error?
Oh no, I have done this.
Hello player, I'm going shopping.
What am I supposed to do?
Click on one of the freaking arrows and input.
Alright fine, you don't have to yell at me.
Must sing.
Okay, that was just stupid.